In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove followers on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first off we need to open up TikTok app and then tap right here to head over to our TikTok profile page. After that, we need to open up the list of our followers. To do that, I'm gonna tap right here just under my profile picture where it says followers. That's how I can easily find all my followers in one place. And once the page is loaded, we can scroll down or up until we find a user whom we would like to remove from our followers list. Also, we can use search to search for a particular user by their username or name on TikTok. And once we find a user we would like to remove, all we have to do is just hit right here at three dots and then select remove this follower. To continue, hit add or remove. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.